Welcome back for your third and final installment on how to port a cylinder head. As you can see, the cylinder head in front of us has made a complete transformation from the very first video. It's now got a nice high polish finish on it. The valve lapping has been done. The intake valve has been reinstalled, along with a new intake valve spring, inner and outer. The exhaust side was not installed. Unfortunately, we found the exhaust valve to have a bent stem. About halfway up the valve here, it's kind of bent. Wouldn't make for a real good end product, so we're not going to use that, and we're going to get a new exhaust valve. So back to what we're doing here. Set that exhaust gasket back in there. You can see it's gasket matched, or meaning the material is all gone, leaving nothing but a smooth transition from the exhaust into the actual exhaust head pipe. This out of the way here. Just need that for an example. Inside of the head here, again, you got your valve guide boss shaved down and reshaped as it normally protrudes up rather high. And now moving back over to the intake side real quick. Same thing over here. Everything has been ported, gasket matched, in this case, to the intake being used. The intake area has been reshaped. How I found works best for these particular engines. Every engine will be a little bit different, but the main idea is you want to get more air in and more air out. More air in and more air out will make more power. And then you want to make everything as smooth as possible. That way the air doesn't have anything to, get caught up on, impede airflow. As your goal here, again, is to just make everything flow better, make everything flow faster, helping you make more power. Some people don't polish, that's fine. I like to polish them. It doesn't hold up forever. If you keep the engine clean, keep it running optimal, not rich, not lean, keep good gas in it, it helps to keep the polished areas clean longer. And hopefully if you're at home porting a head, this is kind of where you're at. If you find you have areas that are, higher or lower, like I said before, you can go in with a sanding drum. You can blend everything up and make everything as smooth as you can get it. Try it out. If you feel it, can be improved some more, you can always take it back off, and you can always port it again. And you can just work on it and get better and better as you go, and you'll definitely notice the results. Especially with these style bikes, these style engines, the exhaust side is really where they suffer. They have a lot of trouble getting the air back out. The exhaust side's entirely too small. It just simply can't get the air out fast enough. They get choked up. In this case now, this one's opened up real nice. Everything's shaped exactly how I like to see it. You can see straight through it. And I'm going to go ahead and get a new exhaust valve for this, where we can get it finished on assembly, have it sent out the door. And that's about all it takes.